In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Telegram channel. So if you want to interact with a wider audience, then the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and create a Telegram channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. So there are pretty simple steps that you can take to create a Telegram channel. The first thing you need to do once you open your Telegram account, go ahead and tap on this pencil icon. Then you'll see here we have an option to create a new group, new contact, or as well a new channel. So go ahead and tap on new channel. Now go ahead and give your channel a name. Then once you are done, you can give it a description. And here we go. Now before you proceed and finalize, you can go ahead and select or choose the profile image by tapping on this. So I'll choose this and we have our profile image here, or I can choose even an emoji. So I can choose this. And here we go. Then I'll tap on set channel photo and it will go ahead and upload. So we are done. Now to finalize and save the changes, just tap on this tick here, this tick, and it will take us to this channel setting. Now here we have to set our link. And here we go, Matters AI, the link is available. Now you have to choose whether you want the link to be public or private. If you set a link public, other people will be able to find and join the channel. However, if we set it private, then the channel can only be joined through a link. So if you want the channel to be found publicly, we can just leave it public and then finalize by tapping on the tick here. And now if you go back to homepage, you can see now our channel is here. If I tap on it, I can begin a conversation. And now anyone can join this channel because it is public. So that's how you create a channel on Telegram. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.